get ready. Okay guys, I'm on my way and I'm like so anxious because I'm like, oh my gosh, like it's my first time going completely by myself. Like what is what's wrong? Like I literally, my stomach hurts so badly from like being anxious about this, but it's fine. Everything is gonna be okay. I just need to get to the freaking train station. Let's go.
Maar dat was toen zo. Dan moet je met een paard naar beneden, dan ben je avontuurlijk. Nee, nee. Je wacht op een paard. Luister. Tunnel. I'm in the middle of nowhere on the way to find a bike so that I can go to like all the far places, so that tomorrow I can have a more chill day and go to the nearby places. But yeah, I'm exhausted, but I need to do this because I'm gonna feel sad if I miss out on anything. Next time I know I just shouldn't do 2 big cities in 1 weekend, you idiot. My parents told me that too, but I already booked my train tickets. Someone just looked at me. Hey guys, this bike is so nice and I'm on my way to the Berlin Wall. Hey, I'm in Moore Park. I'm just sitting here observing people and I'm gonna eat my burger. It's almost 12 o'clock.
morning, world. Oh, girl. There's people there. I thought I was alone. Anywho. Oh, wait, you're a bit dirty. Okay. So, hello. It's day. Oh my gosh, it's only day 2. I'm gonna be in Berlin until like 8 o'clock tonight. So, the whole day for Berlin. I know, like, I should have stayed longer here, but I'll come back again one day. Probably not, unless it's like something I really want to do and the train tickets are cheap. Finally out of that hostel. There was this one guy in there. My whole hostel were men except me, but there was this one guy who just kept on looking at me, and I kept on looking at him because I was like, if you're gonna come attack me, then I know, and then I'll attack you first. But all is good. I left early. But yeah, so today I'm gonna go to Charlottenburg Palace. But before that, I want to go to East Side Gallery. We'll see if I can do it all. But yeah, that's everything, I think. And I will see you guys later. Oh, I literally forgot to say the reason I started filming. I forgot this on my bike last night, and I thought I brought it with me, but I guess I didn't. So I was like, oh, just in case, let me go check the bike and see if it's still there. It was still there. My life would be so difficult without this thing. Like, oh my gosh. If you use bikes while you're traveling, get yourself one of these. It's so handy. Yeah. This is definitely one of the coolest souvenirs I've seen. I mean, I don't need it, but it's cool. Do you maybe have 50 cents? Thank you. Hey guys. Hey guys. So I'm in the middle of nowhere, trying to find a bike so that I can go to East Side Gallery and Raw Gallery. I think it's like, it says it's a cultural center, but I know people go there to look at the graffiti, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I just took the tram. Was it worth the almost 5 years I spent? Not sure. I like going on the public transport in each country I go to because it's like, it's always different. It's a fun experience. Hello, Justy Dusty bike for the day. Of the East Side Gallery. I forgot to take videos. I just took photos, so I'm sorry. Here's some photos. I'm gonna eat my lunch, but I thought I would show you guys what I got at the grocery store for today. Firstly, oh, I got something at the Royal Gallery, like a market. There was this girl selling it, and then I told her like I used to watch it and things, and it was so overpriced. It was €5, but I thought I would support a Japanese girl. Oh, and I also did another photo thing, but I literally look so horrible in these, and I don't like how they look. A little bit disappointed. First thing I got was these, what do you call it? Like, it's completely squished. Like, what is it? I don't know what it's called, but the German snack. So I bought a beefy from a different grocery store because I needed change to pay for my locker, and then I went to go pay and they said, oh, we don't take cash, and then I had to ask someone at the lockers for 50 cents. Are you kidding me? Anyways, and then I got a pretzel. I'm in Germany, so that's my reasoning. And then I got like a coffee thing, and I thought I would drink this because I didn't get a lot of sleep, and then it literally says mild. So I assumed there's like no caffeine in it, but whatever. Oh my gosh, and next I got a milkshake, a vanilla milkshake from Mulch. These are in the Netherlands, but they were so much cheaper here because it's German, I assume. So I got one of those. Oh, this is my breakfast. It's like a cherry yogurt with some cruisy type of thing on top. That's my breakfast. Lastly, I got some sweets that I've never seen before. I thought I'd try it, even though I'm literally not in the mood for sweets at all. I'll probably bring it home and try it there. And yeah, I'm gonna sit here at the canal and eat my food. So.
Karl Marx, guys. Okay, so the Karl Marx like statue park thing was closed, so I'm rather just gonna eat my lunch on the tram on the way to Charlottenburg Palace. I just called with my mom and my sister to ask her advice on if I should go or not, but I might as well. I decided to skip out on the topography of Terra just because I am exhausted and my feet hurts. I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. I'm low-key already planning a trip back in my mind, so if I do come back then I'll go to it. But yeah, so now I'm gonna see 3 more sites, and then whatever time is left I'm literally gonna sit by the station and do nothing because I'm so tired. Sitting here at the promenade waiting for this shop to open because I heard they have souvenirs, and I was just at the town hall and just having a chill morning. I need to prioritize getting food because I have no time, so I need to get breakfast and lunch, but yeah, I'll do that now. I first want to get my souvenir. My train was delayed, so I missed my second train and I have to wait here an hour for the next one. And it's cold and it's the one day I'm wearing shorts and I don't like it here. I just want to go back to the Netherlands. I am back home. Hey guys, I am currently in the French Alps. Spoiler for the next video, but I never made an outro because I was so tired, as you could see in the previous clip. I was over it. But that was my video. My first solo trip to Hamburg and Berlin. It was a lot of fun, but also really stressful. Biggest part of my stress was trains. First of all, they're so unreliable in Germany. From my train from Hamburg to the Netherlands, it was delayed 45 minutes. Great, I go sit somewhere and I see everyone running to this random train that isn't my train because it's not on the platform that they told me. So I'm like, yeah, it's fine, it's not my train. Then I get a notification, oh, your train is only 20 minutes delayed and it's on a different platform. So I have to run from the place I went to go sit down, and it was so stressful. And then my train from Hamburg to Berlin, missed it. I didn't know where it was. I didn't know where my train was, so I illegally, well, I took a different train, and I assume that was the one. Like, I'm not sure, but I assume it was the one. And then I got off at the next stop, and then I went onto my actual Flix train. The whole train situation was just like, oh, like that is something you need to know if you go to Germany or just on a solo trip. Like, make sure you're at your platform or your public transport where you need to be early, because anything could happen. And then also, I just overbooked myself. I overdid myself. I was too ambitious with everything I wanted to do. So yeah, I hope I can go back to Berlin, and I think I might be able to in October. And also to Hamburg, because I never got my souvenir. That shop was closed, and I literally ran out of money, if I'm being honest. Like, oh my gosh, I spent so much money on public transport. It's insane. I should have gotten like a day pass or a weekend pass to get unlimited public transport. That would have been cheaper. So that's something as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. I spent the reason this video is so late is because I've literally spent days editing it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video where I'm in France.